How much should you actually spend on an oil extractor? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Thorstone 200cc Fluid Extractor. Let's kick things off with the Thorstone 200cc Automotive Fluid Extractor. Priced at just $10.97, it caught my eye with its manual operation and multiple tube options. If you want a budget-friendly solution for extracting various fluids, this is worth a serious look. This extractor features a unique syringe style with 2 extension tubes that reach hard-to-access areas, which means you can handle everything from brake fluid to gear oil without any hassle. Its dual rubber ring design creates an airtight seal, preventing any messy leaks. Plus, the fact that it's made to be chemical and oil resistant tells you it can handle tough jobs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever tried to extract fluid from a tight spot, you know how frustrating it can be, and this tool helps you avoid that headache. Now, some users have mentioned that the suction power can be a bit underwhelming when dealing with larger volumes of fluid. Here's the thing though, if you're tackling small to medium jobs, this is still a reliable choice. Just adjust your expectations for bigger tasks and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a simple, effective tool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty tasks or larger vehicles. For under $11, it's a solid investment for basic fluid changes. Now, if the manual operation of the Thorstone isn't your style, the next product might actually be even better for those who prefer a powered option.
Product number 2, 4 Uncles Fluid Extractor. The 4 Uncles Fluid Extractor, priced at $9.99. What I found appealing about this one is its longer tubes, which extend up to 23 inches. If you want a tool that reaches just about anywhere, this is worth a serious look. The 2 extension hoses really make a difference, especially when you're trying to extract fluid from deep reservoirs. The double-sealed design ensures there's no leakage, and the quick connection feature makes the process smooth. Here's why this matters for you. When you're in a pinch and need to change the oil quickly, not having to deal with spills can save you time and frustration. However, a few buyers mention that the locking mechanism can be tricky at times. I'll be real with you, if you're in a rush, that could slow you down. But if you're careful and take your time, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for versatility and ease of use. Skip this one if you want something that's hassle-free and super quick. For $10, it's a solid choice that won't let you down on shorter jobs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more powerful extraction process.
Product number 3, Fadio 12V Oil Extractor Pump. Let's talk about the Fadio 12V Oil Extractor Pump, priced at $34.80. This electric pump stands out with its powerful pure copper motor, which promises fast and stable suction rates. If you want efficiency and ease, this is worth a serious look. This pump works seamlessly with your vehicle's dipstick tube, allowing you to extract oil without needing to crawl under the vehicle. It delivers a flow rate of 1 to 4 liters per minute, which is impressive for such a compact tool. Here's why this matters for you. When you're changing oil, speed and cleanliness can make or break your experience, and this tool is designed to deliver just that. But there's a catch. It has a maximum continuous operation time of 30 minutes. Some users found this limiting if they have larger vehicles or multiple oil changes to do. Here's the thing though, if you plan your work and keep an eye on the time, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fast and clean way to change oil. Skip this if you need something for prolonged usage. At around $35, it's a worthy investment for anyone looking to simplify their oil changes. Now, if you're someone who prefers manual options but still wants great performance, the next one could be just what you need.
Product number 4, Vevor 6.5-liter Manual Fluid Extractor. We have the Vevor 6.5-liter Manual Fluid Extractor, priced at $41.90. I was impressed by its capacity and included accessories. If you want a comprehensive kit for various fluid changes, this is worth a serious look. The manual operation means you don't need any additional equipment. And with a 6.5-liter tank, this extractor can manage larger jobs with ease. It comes with multiple extension tubes, allowing you to reach even the deepest spots in your vehicle. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're working on a car, motorcycle, or even a boat, you'll appreciate having the right tools to get the job done efficiently without leaks or spills. A downside is that some users found it bulky for small jobs. The size can be a bit unwieldy if you're only looking to do quick changes. But really, if you often tackle bigger jobs, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you frequently change fluids in larger vehicles or multiple machines. Skip this if you only need it for small, quick jobs. For under $42, you're getting a complete kit that's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something compact yet effective, let's check out the last option on our list.
Product number 5. Duratec 500cc Fluid Extractor. Let's look at the Duratec 500cc Fluid Extractor, priced at $16.99. This one caught my attention with its compact design and effective suction. If you want something that's easy to handle for quick tasks, this is worth a serious look. The Duratec features upgraded extension tubes that can extend up to 50.4 inches, giving you great reach. Its double seal design ensures strong suction and no leaks, which means you can work without worrying about spills. Here's why this matters for you. When you're in tight spaces or dealing with tricky angles, having a tool that you can rely on makes all the difference. However, some users reported that the 500cc capacity might not be enough for larger jobs. Here's the deal. If you're primarily handling small to medium applications, this is more than enough. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, reliable tool for quick fluid changes. Skip this one if you often deal with larger volumes. For under $17, you're getting a solid, dependable option that won't break the bank. So, to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 solid oil extractors. The Thorstone 200cc for budget-conscious buyers, the 4 Uncles for extended reach, the Feitio for speed and efficiency, the Vivor for comprehensive kits, and the Duratec for compact ease. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but hopefully you found one that fits your needs perfectly. Happy extracting!